The problem is when you're not talked about. I mean, that when I try to decide what did I want, what was annoying me more, being talked about or not being talked about. I think the other thing too. So you will only be talked about when you're doing something or making some waves, good or bad. Let's not talk about it, but that when you're evoking reactions, when you're causing debates between people's topics and people's conversations, that's when it happens. So I think calling somebody churel cannot be offensive. It is supposed to be considered a compliment going forward. That's how the show came into being. That's how they probably wanted me to play a character like that, which I was not understanding earlier, and I was being I was offended. Huh? Why would they come up with a show like that with me, and why do they want me in this kind of a show? But when you sit down with them, when they try to make sense of the whole scenario, when there are 7 meetings involved, you don't go through that long. मेरी कोई meetings इतनी लंबी नहीं गई. So there was a reason when I sat back, when I asked my family, they told me, Nia, if they want you, they won't have wasted so much time into convincing you. You know, there must be something why they are considering you for this role and only you. So that was also too much respect worthy when they told me, Nia, we really want you to play this role because you'll be so apt within this. Because the other people, the other girls do end up calling the other girl who's attractive, a female who's attractive, who men easily fall for, they ये तो चुड़ैल है, ये तो घर break करती है. So उस connotation में they are probably bringing a show like that. And even in the show with this girl, she's so full of herself. She thinks she's the most beautiful girl in the world. She can make every guy, every man fall in love with her. So you need that level of confidence. You know, you need that stature. You know, so that you can bring the sass in you. If you don't have that confidence, you can't even bring this level of sassiness in your own character. So I think I am not a churel, but I've become so okay with my presence. I'm so cool with my own vibe and everything. I think I can carry something of this sort now. And when I'm doing the show, it's every bit worth it. It's every thing that I would want to do as a character, as a role. It's multi-layered, and I wouldn't have passed it on to anybody else now.